laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. The Word made flesh has dwelt among us. From his fullness we receive grace on grace and lasting mercy, truth and wisdom, hope and peace. We have beheld his glory, and we have seen the light. Anointed Prince of Glory, we marvel at thy sight. Anointed Prince of Glory,